Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy Redmi Pad Pro, then this video is going to be helpful for you. This is one of the large display tablets. In this tablet you will get 12.1 inches 2.5K XL display with 120Hz of refresh rate and then massive 10,000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor. So let's peel off the plastics and unbox this tablet. Unfolding the box, the first thing that you will get is the tablet. After that there is documentation, SIM ejection tool, 33-watt fast charger, type A to type C cable. That's all. Now I will peel off the wrapper of Redmi Pad Pro. This is a very large tablet. It feels very heavy in the hand. At the back you can see that metallic shield is there, and towards the right there is power button, micro SD card slot. Towards the bottom you will get speaker grill, type C port and 3.5mm jack. On the top you will get power button, speaker grill and Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos certification. There is nothing at the left side of the tablet. On first boot up, the screen seems to be very good. It comes with 120Hz of refresh rate, 2.5K display. So the display resolution seems to be very snappy and it feels very smooth. As this tablet features Snapdragon processor, you will have a great multitasking experience also. If I go into settings and then about tablet, you can see that this is running on Xiaomi HyperOS, and if I go into storage, you can see that 27.4 GB is occupied after first boot up and available space is around 100 GB. You can also expand the storage via SD card, so that is also an added advantage for this tablet. And this tablet is running on Android 14 out of the box. And if I go into the software section, you can see that RAM is 6GB plus 2GB and it is running on Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 mobile platform with octa-core processor. After that, in order to test the display, I played some HDR videos on youtube.com and it can easily play 4K 60 FPS videos. That is a very good thing. I also played some HDR videos side by side and made a comparison between iPad 10th generation and Redmi Pad Pro. You can see that iPad 10th generation is more vibrant and brighter than Redmi Pad Pro. However, it might not be said that Redmi Pad Pro's display is bad. This is also a very good display, but brightness level is on the higher side on iPad 10th generation. This difference will be noticeable only if you compare these two devices side by side, otherwise you will not feel the display to be inferior at all. Redmi Pad Pro comes with good sets of stereo speakers, so the quality of the speakers are very good actually. As this is a Redmi tablet, you will have lots of customization in HyperOS. You can set home screen or lock screen, and also you can download many wallpapers for your liking. Also in the display section you can customize the display, the color tone and also the refresh rate. These are the color tones that you can choose. Also there is refresh rate of 60Hz, 90Hz and 120Hz. That is a cool thing. If you click on custom, you can set the refresh rate according to your need, 60Hz, 90Hz and 120Hz, but I think it should be set at custom to conserve the battery life. Also there is a stylus and keyboard support, but you have to buy the stylus and keyboard separately. But the good thing is that they have these options, so if you want to study or take note on your tablet, you can do that. Now if you want to buy Redmi Pad Pro, the best price of this product is around 16,500 rupees, and even in this big Bachat Days sale, many people have actually bought this tablet at around 16,500 rupees. This tablet is also bought at a price point of 16,500 rupees. In this price bracket, this is one of the best tablets that you can buy right now. So that's it from the unboxing of Redmi Pad Pro. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.